Hey everyone, today, we're tackling one of the most common questions for new and even experienced traders on TradingView: where's my money? How do I find my account balance? It's a simple question with a straightforward answer, but if you don't know where to look, it can be frustrating. Let's get straight to it. Quick cut to screen recording of TradingView desktop. First, make sure you're logged into your broker account on TradingView. TradingView is a charting platform, not a broker itself. So, your account balance is tied to the live brokerage account you have connected to the platform. If you're using TradingView's paper trading feature, your balance will be a simulated one. But the location for checking it is the same. On the desktop version of TradingView, you need to look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several tabs down there. Look for the one that says Trading Panel or Account Summary. Click on that, and it will open up a detailed panel. Inside this panel, you'll see a section called Account Summary. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll find your current balance, equity, and unrealized profit and loss. Your balance is the total cash you have in your account. Your equity is your balance plus or minus any floating gains or losses from your open positions. That's a crucial number to watch. Quick cut to screen recording of TradingView mobile app. Now, if you're on the mobile app, the process is just as easy. On the main chart screen, you'll see a broker icon. Tap on that icon. This will open up your trading panel. From there, you can navigate to the Account Summaries tab, and you'll find all the same information: your balance, your equity, and a summary of your positions. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the key is to remember that TradingView is showing you the information from the brokerage you've connected. The platform is just a visual interface for your trading activity. So, on desktop, look for this trading panel at the bottom of your screen. On mobile, tap on the broker icon on the chart. That's it. It's a simple process that gives you a full picture of your trading account.